अस्सलाम फ्रेंड्स, तो आज जो है माउंट ब्लू हाई स्कूल में है, यहाँ पर ब्रेन एग्जीबिशन चल रहा है। छोटे बच्चों के ब्रेन में जो चीज़ें होती हैं और वो लोग जो अपने एक्सपीरियंस से करते हैं, तो यहाँ पर ये सभी चीज़ें हम बच्चों से जानने की कोशिश करेंगे और आपको ये बताएंगे कि यहाँ पर जो माउंट ब्लू स्कूल में बच्चे किस तरीके से अपने अंदाज में इस एग्जीबिशन में अपने चीज़ें बनाकर लेकर आए हैं और डिस्प्ले किए हैं। तो हम इनको देखने की कोशिश करेंगे और आपको ये बताने की कोशिश करेंगे। तो चलिए हमारे साथ जुड़े रहिए। सभी बच्चों की जो चीज़ें हैं हम बताएंगे आपको। ಬನ್ನಿ.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಶುಭೋದಯ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಮಹೇಶ್. ನಾನು 8ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ನನ್ನ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಹೆಸರು ಮೌಂಟ್ ಬ್ಲೂ ಹೈಶಾಲೆ. ನನ್ನ ವಿಷಯ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಕರಕುಶಲ ಗಾಂಧೀಜಿಯ ಚರಕ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಗಾಂಧೀಜಿಯವರು 1869 ಅಕ್ಟೋಬರ್ 2ರಂದು ಜನಿಸಿದರು. ಅವರ ಪೂರ್ಣ ಹೆಸರು ಮೋಹನ್ ದಾಸ್ ಕರ್ಮಚಂದ್ರ ಗಾಂಧಿ. ಅವರ ತಂದೆ ಕರ್ಮಚಂದ್ರ ಗಾಂಧಿ, ತಾಯಿ ಪುತಲಿಬಾಯಿ. ಅವರ ಹೆಂಡತಿಯ ಹೆಸರು ಕಸ್ತೂರಿಬಾ. ಗಾಂಧೀಜಿಯವರನ್ನು ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರಪಿತ ಎನ್ನುವರು. ಅವರು ಶಾಂತಿ ಮತ್ತು ಅಹಿಂಸೆಯ ಮಹಾನ್ ಅನುಯಾಯಿ. ಚರಕದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ. ಚರಕವು ಅಹಿಂಸೆಯ ಸಂಕೇತ. ಚರಕವು ಹತ್ತಿಯಿಂದ ನೂಲು ತೆಗೆಯುವ ಸಾಧನೆ. ಇದನ್ನು ರಾಟೆ ಎಂದು ಕರೆಯುತ್ತಾರೆ.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ವಯಸ್ಸಿಂದ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಶುಭೋದಯ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಭಾರ್ಗವ್. ನಾನು 6ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ನನ್ನ ಶಾಲೆ ಹೆಸರು ಮೌಂಟ್ ಬ್ಲೂ ಹೈಶಾಲೆ. ನನ್ನ ವಿಷಯ ಹಳ್ಳಿ ಮನೆ. ಹಳ್ಳಿ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹಳ್ಳಿ ಹುಡುಗಿ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಹಳ್ಳಿ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹಳ್ಳಿ ಹುಡುಗ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ಹಳ್ಳಿ ಹುಡುಗನು ರೈತ. ಹಳ್ಳಿ ಹುಡುಗಿ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುವ ಹುಡುಗಿ. ಇದು ಬಿದಿರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿರುವ ಬುಟ್ಟಿ. ಇದು ಮರ. ಅಕ್ಕಿಯನ್ನು ಜರಡಿ ಹಿಡಿಯುವ ಮರ. ಇದು ತೊಟ್ಟಿಲು. ಮಗುವನ್ನು
ಮಲಗಿಸುವ ತೊಟ್ಟಿಲು. ಇದು ಬುಟ್ಟಿ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಹೂವುಗಳನ್ನು ಇಡಬಹುದು. ಇದು ಹಣ್ಣುಗಳನ್ನು ಇಡುವ ಬುಟ್ಟಿ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ತರಕಾರಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಕೆಲವು ವಸ್ತುಗಳನ್ನು ಇಡುವ ಬುಟ್ಟಿ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಫಿಯನ್ನು ಇಡಬಹುದು. ಇದು ಹಟ್ಟಿ ಉಡಿಯುವ ಬುಟ್ಟಿ. ಇದನ್ನು ಹಿಡಿದುಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಇದು ಗಾಳಿ ಬೀಸುವ ಫ್ಯಾನ್. ಇದು ಬಿದಿರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿರುವ ಚಾಪೆ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಶುಭೋದಯ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಕಾವ್ಯಶ್ರೀ. ನಾನು 5ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ನನ್ನ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಹೆಸರು ಮೌಂಟ್ ಬ್ಲೂ ಹೈ ಶಾಲೆ. ನನ್ನ ವಿಷಯ ಸಂಯುಕ್ತಾಕ್ಷರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. 2 ಅಥವಾ 2ಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ವ್ಯಂಜನಗಳಿಗೆ ಸ್ವರ ಸೇರಿದರೆ ಆಗುವ ಅಕ್ಷರಗಳಿಗೆ ಸಂಯುಕ್ತಾಕ್ಷರ ಎನ್ನುವರು. ಸಜಾತಿ ಸಂಯುಕ್ತಾಕ್ಷರ ಉದಾಹರಣೆ ಪಕ್ಕ, ಅಕ್ಕ, ಚಿಕ್ಕ, ಲೆಕ್ಕ. ವಿಜಾತಿ ಸಂಯುಕ್ತಾಕ್ಷರ ಬೇರೆ ಜಾತಿ ಒತ್ತಕ್ಷರಗಳಿಗೆ ಬೇರೆ ವ್ಯಂಜನಗಳು ಸೇರಿದರೆ ಅದೇ ವಿಜಾತಿ ಸಂಯುಕ್ತಾಕ್ಷರ. ಉದಾಹರಣೆ ಕಾವ್ಯ. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಶುಭೋದಯ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಜಲನ್. ನಾನು 4ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ನನ್ನ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಹೆಸರು ಮೌಂಟ್ ಬ್ಲೂ ಹೈ ಶಾಲೆ. ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಜ್ಞಾನಪೀಠ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಕವಿಗಳ ಹೆಸರು ಕುವೆಂಪು 1967 ಶ್ರೀರಾಮಾಯಣ ದರ್ಶನ. ದ. ರಾ ಬೇಂದ್ರೆ 1973 ನಾಲ್ಕು ತಂತಿ. ಶಿವರಾಮ ಕಾರಂತ 1977 ಮುಖಾಜಿಯ ಕನಸುಗಳು. ಮಾಸಿ ವೆಂಕಟೇಶ್ ಅಯ್ಯಂಗಾರ್ 1983 ಚಿಕ್ಕವೀರ ರಾಜೇಂದ್ರ. ವಿ. ಕೃ. ಗೋಕಾಕ್ 1990 ಭಾರತ ಸಿಂಧು ರಶ್ಮಿ. U.R. ಅನಂತಮೂರ್ತಿ 1994 ಕನ್ನಡ ಸಮಗ್ರ ಸಾಹಿತ್ಯ. ಗಿರೀಶ್ ಕರ್ನಾಡ್ 1998 ಕನ್ನಡ ಸಮಗ್ರ ಸಾಹಿತ್ಯ. ಚಂದ್ರಶೇಖರ್ ಕಂಬಾರ 2010 ಕನ್ನಡ ಸಮಗ್ರ ಸಾಹಿತ್ಯ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಶುಭೋದಯ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಚೈತನ್ಯ. ನಾನು 8ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ನಾನು ಇವತ್ತು ಹಣ್ಣಿನ ವಿಟಮಿನ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಪೇರ್ಲೆ ಇದು ವಿಟಮಿನ್ ಸಿ ಹೊಂದಿದೆ. ಹೃದಯದ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಹಾಗೂ ಜೀರ್ಣಕ್ಕೆ ಸಹಾಯಕಾರಿ. ಸೇಬು ಇದು ವಿಟಮಿನ್ ಸಿ ಹೊಂದಿದೆ. ಜೀರ್ಣಕ್ರಿಯೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಸಲು ಹಾಗೂ ದೇಹಕ್ಕೆ ಶಕ್ತಿ ನೀಡಲು ಸಹಾಯಕಾರಿ. ದಾಳಿಂಬೆ ಇದು ವಿಟಮಿನ್ ಸಿ ಹಾಗೂ ವಿಟಮಿನ್ ಕೆ ಹೊಂದಿದೆ. ಶ್ವಾಸಕೋಶದ ಉರಿತವನ್ನು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡುತ್ತದೆ. ಕಿತ್ತಳೆ ಇದು ವಿಟಮಿನ್ ಸಿ ಹಾಗೂ ವಿಟಮಿನ್ ಎ ಹೊಂದಿದೆ. ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ಶೀತ ಹಾಗೂ ಮೂತ್ರಕೋಶದ ಕಲ್ಲಿನ ನಿವಾರಣೆಗೆ ಸಹಾಯಕಾರಿ. ಅನಾನಸ್ ಇದು ವಿಟಮಿನ್ ಸಿ ಹಾಗೂ ವಿಟಮಿನ್ B6 ಹೊಂದಿದೆ. ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸರ್ ತೊಂದರೆ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡುತ್ತದೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಶಸ್ತ್ರಚಿಕಿತ್ಸೆ ಗಾಯ ಬೇಗ ವಾಸಿ ಮಾಡುತ್ತದೆ. ಕಲ್ಲಂಗಡಿ ಇದು ವಿಟಮಿನ್ ಸಿ ಹೊಂದಿದೆ. ಜೀರ್ಣಕ್ರಿಯೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಸಲು ಹಾಗೆ ದೇಹಕ್ಕೆ ಶಕ್ತಿ ನೀಡಲು ಹಾಗೂ ಸ್ನೇಹು ಸೆಳೆತ ಕಡಿಮೆ. ರಂಗಿ ಇದು ವಿಟಮಿನ್ ಸಿ ಹಾಗೂ ವಿಟಮಿನ್ B6 ಹೊಂದಿದೆ. ಸಕ್ಕರೆ ಕಾಯಿಲೆ ಬೇಗ ವಾಸಿ ಮಾಡುತ್ತದೆ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಶುಭೋದಯ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ವರ್ಷಿಣಿ. ನಾನು 7ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ನನ್ನ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಹೆಸರು ಮೌಂಟ್ ಬ್ಲೂ ಹೈ ಶಾಲೆ. ನಾನು ಇಂದು ತರಕಾರಿಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಕೊತ್ತಂಬರಿ ಕೊಬ್ಬಿನಂಶವಿದೆ. ಕೊಬ್ಬಿನಂಶದ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ರಕ್ತಹೀನತೆಯನ್ನು ತಡೆಯುತ್ತದೆ. ಈರುಳ್ಳಿ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಆನಿಯನ್, ತಮಿಳಿನಲ್ಲಿ ವೆಂಗಾಯಂ ಹಾಗೂ ತೆಲುಗುವಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಎರ್ರಗಡ್ಡ ಎಂದು ಕರೆಯಲಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಸೋರೆಕಾಯಿ ಪೌಷ್ಟಿಕಾಂಶದ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಪೌಷ್ಟಿಕಾಂಶದ ಕಣಜವೇ ಆಗಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಸೋರೆಕಾಯಿನ ಹೊರಕವಚವನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದು ತಂಬೂರಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಗೀಗಿ ಪದ ಹಾಡುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೋರೆಕಾಯಿ ಎ ಮತ್ತು ಸಿ ಅನ್ನಾಂಗದ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಖನಿಜಾಂಶವಿದೆ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
ಶುಭೋದಯ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಭಾಗ್ಯ. ನಾನು 9ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ನನ್ನ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಹೆಸರು ಮೌಂಟ್ ಬ್ಲೂ ಹೈ ಶಾಲೆ. ನನ್ನ ವಿಷಯ ಕನ್ನಡ ನಾಡ ಬಣ್ಣ. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಧ್ವಜ 2 ಬಣ್ಣಗಳಿಂದ ಕೂಡಿದ ಧ್ವಜ. ಈ ಧ್ವಜವನ್ನು 2 ಸಮವಾಗಿ ಭಾಗಗಳಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಬಾವುಟದ ಮೇಲಿನ ಬಣ್ಣವು ಹಳದಿ ಮತ್ತು ಕೆಳಗಿನ ಬಣ್ಣವು ಕೆಂಪು. ಹಳದಿ ಬಣ್ಣವು ಧೈರ್ಯವನ್ನು ಸೂಚಿಸುತ್ತದೆ. ಕೆಂಪು ಬಣ್ಣವು ಧೈರ್ಯವನ್ನು ಸೂಚಿಸುತ್ತದೆ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಶುಭೋದಯ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ನವನೀತ್ ಕುಮಾರ್.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಯಶಸ್ವಿನಿ.
ನಾನು 6ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ.
ನಾನು 7ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ.
ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆ ಹೆಸರು ಮೌಂಟ್ ಬ್ಲೂ ಹೈ ಶಾಲೆ. ನಾವು ಇಂದಿನ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ವಾಣಿಜ್ಯ ಬೆಳೆಗಳನ್ನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಶಿವಮೊಗ್ಗ ಅಡಿಕೆ, ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಕನ್ನಡ ಅಡಿಕೆ, ಕೋಲಾರ ಆಲೂಗಡ್ಡೆ, ರಾಯಚೂರು ಭತ್ತ, ರಾಮನಗರ ರೇಷ್ಮೆ, ಹಾವೇರಿ ಮುಸ್ಕಿನ ಜೋಳ, ಚಿತ್ರದುರ್ಗ ಶೇಂಗಾ, ಮಂಡ್ಯ ಕಬ್ಬು, ಕೊಡಗು ಕಾಫಿ, ಬೆಳಗಾವಿ ಗೋಧಿ ಸೋಯಾ ಕಬ್ಬು, ಚಿಕ್ಕಮಗಳೂರು ಕಾಫಿ, ಗುಲ್ಬರ್ಗ ಬಿಜಾಪುರ್ ತೊಗರಿ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಶುಭೋದಯ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ರಾಘವ್. ನಾನು 6ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ನನ್ನ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಹೆಸರು ಮಂಗ್ಳೂರು ಹೈಶಾಲೆ. ನನ್ನ ವಿಷಯ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಜಲಾಶಯಗಳು: ಕಾವೇರಿ, ತುಂಗಭದ್ರೆ, ಕಪಿಲಾ, ಕಾಳಿ, ಮಲಪ್ರಭಾ, ಘಟಪ್ರಭಾ, ಶರಾವತಿ, ವೇದಾವತಿ, ಕುಮುದ್ವತಿ, ಭೀಮಾ, ಮಂಜರಾ, पालर. धन्यवाद।
आप सभी को मेरा नमस्कार। मेरा नाम मोनिका पाल है। मैं 7वीं कक्षा में पढ़ती हूँ। मेरे विद्यालय के नाम मोमब्लू उच्च विद्यालय है। मेरा विषय स्वच्छ भारत अभियान। हमें अपने घर और समाज की जिम्मेदारी रखना चाहिए। साफ सुथरा की जिम्मेदारी रखना चाहिए। हम सभी को स्वच्छता के नियमों का पालन करना चाहिए। हमारी स्वच्छता पर विराट को बचा सकती है। स्वच्छ भारत एक अभियान है जिसका नाम स्वच्छ भारत अभियान भारत सरकार द्वारा। धन्यवाद।
आप सभी को नमस्कार। मेरा नाम नवाजी है। मैं 7वीं कक्षा में पढ़ता हूँ। मेरा स्कूल का नाम है मंग्लू स्कूल। हमें गंदगी को फैलाने से रोकना चाहिए। हमें कचरा को हमेशा कूड़ेदान में डालना चाहिए। स्वच्छ भारत अभियान गाँव में, शहरों में सभी जगह चलाया जा रहा है। कूड़ेदान आप भी चलाए जा रहे हैं। Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Ikra. I am studying in 7th grade. Today I am going to show about neuron system. This is a neuron system. This is also called a nerve cell. Major parts of neuron: axon, dendrites, synapse and cell body. Axon. Good morning everyone. My name is Vivi Sara. I am studying in 6th grade. My school name is Mount Blue High School. My topic is axon. Axon is a tube-like structure that carries electrical impulse from the cell body to axon terminal that passes the impulse to other neuron. Thank you. Dendrites. These are branch-like structures that receive messages from other part and allow the transmission of messages to the cell body. Thank you. Today I am going to speak about synapse. Synapse is a chemical body that passes through the chemical to the another neuron. Thank you.
आप सबको मेरा नमस्कार। मेरा नाम दिव्या पाल है। मैं 5वीं कक्षा में पढ़ती हूँ। मेरे विद्यालय का नाम माउंट ब्लू उच्च विद्यालय है। हिंदी विषय के प्रदर्शनी के बारे में बता रही हूँ। मेरा विषय है स्वतंत्रता सेनानी। रानी लक्ष्मीबाई को झांसी की रानी के नाम से जाना जाता है। रानी चंद्रमा कर्नाटक की कितुबैसनी की साहसी थी। रानी चंद्रमा एक साहसी वीरांगना थी। अपने राज्य को बचाने के लिए रानी चंद्रमा अंग्रेजों से संघर्ष की। पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू भारत के प्रथम प्रधानमंत्री थे। उनका जन्म 14 नवंबर 1889 में उत्तर प्रदेश के इलाहाबाद में हुआ था। पंडित नेहरू जी को बच्चे बहुत पसंद थे। बच्चे उन्हें प्यार से चाचा नेहरू कहते थे। उन्होंने भारत की आज़ादी के लिए कड़ा संघर्ष किया। उनके जन्मदिन पर बाल दिवस के रूप में मनाया जाता है। धन्यवाद।
My name is Saida Asra Fatima. I am studying 3rd standard A1. My school name is Maglu High School. I am now explaining about 4th generation. This computer discovered in the year 1971 by the Marcian Radion. This generation less inexpensive than 3rd generation. The calculation should be done in picoseconds. Example, computer laptop. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Myself Afra Fatima and I am from grade 8. My school name is Mount Blue High School. We are here to explain you about topology and types of topology. I'll introduce my group name Bytes. There are 5 types of topology: bus topology, string topology, tree topology, star topology and mesh topology. Topology is a physical and logical connection between the system to share the network data is known as topology. Bus topology is a type of network data which has only single wire and connects to all the system is known as bus topology. Thank you.
Good morning sir. Today we are going to show the experiment of elephant toothpaste. The materials and chemicals which we are using are hydrogen peroxide, potassium permanganate and Vim drop. and the swim drop. And the first step is take some water of 200 ml and after that pour this chemical named as potassium permanganate. The actual color of this potassium permanganate is black, but when reacts with water turns into pinkish. And by this takes 2 spatula spoons and pour it in water and stir it well. Still water you put, bro. Still water, bro, still. And after that take hydrogen peroxide and take the another beaker and pour little bit of hydrogen peroxide. Then after that take the swim drop and make a solution using these two chemicals. And using this we have made a solution which can cause the explosion. And after this the hydrogen gas is formed in hydrogen peroxide, and in this potassium permanganate the solution when mixed is coming out like this.
My name is Mamlu High School. My topic is DNA. This is the model of DNA. The full form of DNA is deoxyribonucleic acid. It has a hereditary materials called gene. A molecule of DNA has a double helix with spiral in it. DNA is located in the nucleus of a cell. DNA is made up of 3 chemical compounds called phosphate, sugar, nitrogen. Function of the DNA is transmit the characteristic of parents of the offspring. It has 3 million bar pairs. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, my name is Mustafa Miraj. I am studying in 7th grade. My topic is about brain. Brain is an essential organ that controls many body functions. It is located inside the skull, which is protecting the brain. The average brain weight of the adult male was 1336 gram and female is 1198 gram. Some important parts of the brain: cerebrum, thalamus, hypothalamus, medulla oblongate. Cerebrum is the main part of the brain. It is the master of the brain. It will give all the instruction to the body. Thalamus will get the information from the body and send to the cerebrum and return the answer back to the body. Hypothalamus will get the will control the body, emotions, temperature, thirst, hunger, sense of fullness. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, my name is Bhumika. I am studying in 2nd grade. My school name is Mount Blue High School. Good morning everyone, my name is Pincy. I am studying in 4th standard. My school name is Mount Blue High School. Good morning everyone, my name is Bhumika. I am studying in 4th standard. My school name is Mount Blue High School. My topic is kidney. Human exercise system. Etc. is the remove of waste product from the body. Pair of kidney. The kidney are two bean-shaped organ which is situated into even of swing hand behind the belly and below the ribs. Thank you. The kidney main functions is to clean the blood. The blood moves from the body. It picks up extra fluid, chemicals and waste, and the kidney separates the waste materials from the blood and the unwanted materials mixed with fluid called urine. This is the kidney. Urine will come from here. Thank you. Good morning everyone, my name is Dismas. I am studying in 3rd standard A1. My school name is Mount Blue High School. Good morning everyone, my name is Dhanushresh. I am studying in 3rd standard A1. My school name is Mount Blue High School. Good morning everyone, my name is Rejas. I am studying in 2nd standard. My school name is Mount Blue High School. A volcano is a type of mountain. When a volcano except magma is pushed up through the opening with force, when magma reaches the earth's surface, it is called lava. The chemical reaches between an acid, acetic acid present in the vinegar, and a carbonate, sodium hydrogen carbonate present in the baking soda, when it will release as a gas. Thank you.
Name is Bharat Shirve. I am studying in 6th standard. My school name is Mangala School. Our project is microscope. The leaf veins are composed of exlime and pollen shells embedded in scalenchyme, sometimes parenchyme, and surrounded by the bundle set shells.
Good morning everyone. My name is Alak Josh. I am studying 6th standard. Our project is microscope. We can observe the small particle of the leaves and etc. animal cells in the microscope. It is useful to observe the very small parts of the animals and leaves. Good morning sir and ma'am. My name is Aina, studying in 6th standard. We need sunlight to sunlight reflects on this mirror and we can see through this microscope. And if we can keep also leaf, and this is the structure of the leaf. Structure of the leaf, and this is animal structure, which the blood particle of animal.
Everyone, my name is Arini. I am studying in 5th standard. My school name is Mont Blanc High School. I am telling about lungs. Lungs is the important part of the respiratory system. When we breathe, oxygen comes into our body. It's called inspiration.
Good morning everyone. My name is Abdul Wahid. I am studying in 6th standard from Mount Blue High School. When carbon dioxide get outside the body is called expiration. The process of exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide into a body is called respiration.
Good morning everyone. My name is Mohammad Muzammil. I am studying in 6th standard. My school name is Mount Blanc High School. The oxygen gets into the nasal cavity and it passes through the pipe and reaches the lungs. Lungs will purify the oxygen and send into the blood cells the carbon dioxide.
Good morning everyone. My name is Syed Ghani Ahmed. I am studying in 4th standard. My school name is Mont Blanc High School. The earth has a liver temperature atmosphere. Thank you. Good morning everyone. My name is Ron Paswan. I am studying in 1st standard. My school name is Mont Blanc High School. My topic name is greenhouse effect. The greenhouse effect is the natural processing of atmosphere. Good morning everyone. My name is MD Sadiq. I am studying in 3rd standard. My school name is Mont Blanc High School. My project name is greenhouse effect. The greenhouse effect is the natural processing of the atmosphere.
Good morning everyone. My name is Yash. I am studying in 5th grade. My school name is Mount Blue High School. Our topic is solar system. Solar system is made up of a star, 8 planets and countless smaller bodies such as dwarf planet, asteroid. Comment the solar system orbit the center of the Milky Way galaxy.
Good morning everyone. My name is Umayman. I am studying in 2nd standard. My school name is Mont Blanc School. My project name is solar system. The planets which around the sun is called solar system. Thank you. Good morning everyone. My name is Sridhar. I am studying in 2nd standard. My school name is Mont Blanc High School. My project name is solar system. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars are the inner planets. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune are outer planets. Thank you. Good morning everyone. My name is Sushma. I am studying in 2nd standard. My school name is Mont Blanc High School. My project name is solar Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and
Good morning everyone. My name is Mohammad Ahil. I am studying in 3rd standard. My school name is Mont Blanc High School.
Good morning everyone. My name is Kirtana Bem. I am studying in 3rd standard in Mont Blanc High School. The cycle movement of water is called water cycle.
The sun heats up the water from oceans, rivers, lakes, then the water turning into an invisible gas called water vapor. This process, the changing of water into a gas, is called as evaporation. The water vapor rising up in the air, it starts cooling down and forms tiny water droplets. These water droplets come together to form clouds of water vapor into water droplet is called condensation.
When clouds start getting heavy and the droplets back to earth in the form of rain is called precipitation. As it rains, water gets collected into rivers, oceans is called collection of water. This cycle process is known as water
Morning,
cycle.
everyone.
Thank you.
My name is Rahul. Today I'm going to explain a topic called heart. Heart is a muscular organ. It is a muscle that pumps blood to all the parts of our body. The blood pumped by the heart provides our body with oxygen and nutrients. The size of the heart is about the size of a clenched fist and weighs between 300 to 450 grams.
The function of the heart are to pump blood and oxygen around the body and deliver waste products such as carbon dioxide back to the lungs to be removed. The heart consists of 4 chambers, each separated by valves which direct the flow of blood.
Heart beats 72 times per minute. Heart is a muscular organ. Heart is located near lungs, slightly towards the ribs. Heart contains 4 chambers: right atrium, left atrium, right ventricle, left ventricle. When the oxygen mixes with the blood, it becomes oxygenated blood. Oxygenated blood transfers all the body parts, mainly to the lungs by the veins. Good morning, everyone. My name is Bibi Hanifa. I'm studying in 6th grade. My school name is Mount Blue High School. Our teamwork is heart. Functions of heart: when we inhale the oxygen, lungs will mix with the blood and it's transferred to the heart with the help of pulmonary when it goes to the left atrium and down to the left ventricle. In the left ventricle, the pressure is created the pumping the blood and it's oxygen with the blood. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Devender. I am studying in class 6. This is our working model of windmill, a machine that converts kinetic energy of wind into mechanical energy. Wind turbines work on a simple principle. Instead of using electricity to make wind like a fan wind turbine, use wind to make electricity. Wind turns the propeller like blades of turbine which spins a generator which creates electricity. Good morning, everyone. My name is Mohammad Taib and I am studying 4th standard. The digestive system converts the food we eat into the simplest form. Mouth. Food starts to move through your GI tract when you eat. Esophagus. Once you begin swallowing, the process becomes automatic. Stomach. The stomach buzzer mixes the food and liquid with digestive juices. Small intestine. The muscle of small intestine makes the food with digestive juices from pancreas. Liver and intestine pushes mixture forward for further digestion. Large intestine absorb the water and change into the liquid to stool. Rectum. The rectum stores stool until it pushes out of your anus during a bowel movement. Thank you. I am studying in 6th standard. My topic is origami handbag. This is a handbag. We can carry in this small things. Example, if we want to carry in this some cloths or some stationeries, we can carry in this. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. My name is Fariha Taj. I am studying in 6th grade. My school name is Mount Blue High School. My topic is rabbit. Rabbit is pet animal. Rabbit is also known as bunny. Rabbit have 2 small eyes. Rabbit have 2 ears. Rabbit have in its body soft fur. Rabbit can move its eyes up to this. My name is Syed Mujana. I am studying in 1st standard. My school name is Mount Blue High School. Today we are telling table. 2 1 are 2, 2 2 are 4, 2 3 are 6, 2 4 are 8, 2 5 are 10, 2 6 are 12, 2 7 are 14, 2 7 are 14, 2 8 are 16, 2 9 are 18, 2 10 are 20. 3 1 are 3, 3 2 are 6, 3 3 are 9, 3 4 are 12, 3 5 are 15, 3 6 are 18, 3 7 are 20, 3 7 are 21, 3 8 are 24, 3 9 are 27, 3 10 are 30. 4 1 are 4, 4 2 are 8, 4 3 are 12, 4 4 are 16, 4 5 are 20, 4 5 are 20, 4 6 are 24, 4 7 are 28, 4 8 are 32, 4 9 are 36, 4 10 are 40. Okay. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. My name is Bargis and I am from class 10th. My topic is about Disney World, and he is the man who created Disney. His name is Walt Disney, and this all animation and movies and series are created by him, like Iron Man and Pirates of the Caribbean, Mickey Mouse, Cinderella, like others animation. So he was successful in doing all those characters.
Good morning everyone, I am Shivani and my topic is about Walter Alice Disney. He is the creator of the Disney World. All these movies which are you seeing is the most famous movies. He have developed his own company and made so many characters. They were not all the movies which are you seeing like from Marvel, Iron Man and Pirates. These all are produced by Disney. There are so many fantastic like Walt Disney has did not Mickey Mouse, and his achievements were more like the first movie which has been came like Snow White. It went so successful in his movie, so he got encouraged and make many more movies. And now the number one animation in the world is Disney movie.
He also took night course at the Art Institute of Chicago. At age 16, he dropped out of school in attempt to join army, but was unsuccessful in doing because of being under arrest. So he joined Red Fort Society, and then as a newspaper artist, he worked. From there, he worked at a Kansas City Film Art Company, made commercial based on animation. Disney used to screen his homemade animation at a local theater, which he called Logograms. Thank you.
Sir, my name is Saida Ikhra and this is Shahrukh and this is Firdos. Today we are going to speak about RMS Titanic. RMS Titanic is the most famous incident that everyone of us know current popular culture. Titanic was a British registered ship. It was constructed as US company American stockholder JP Morgan Johu. Titanic was a Belfast, Northern Ireland, England and New York City. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. My name is Sharon Simon. Titanic was launched on May 31, 1911. The construction was started in the years 99 and took 3 years. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. Myself, Firdos of 9th grade, Mount Blue High School. I am going to speak about the incident what happened in Titanic. Titanic had an estimated 2,224 people on board when it struck an iceberg. It struck an iceberg on 14 April 1912 around 11:40 p.m. and completely sank after 2 hours 40 minutes on 15 April 1912. Titanic had 2,024 people. From those, 1,500 people died, and RMS Caspatia arrived an hour or 2 hours later and saved 710 survivors. And RMS Titanic remains in its final resting place on the North Atlantic Ocean. Thank you.
Exhibition. I am going to explain about geometrical city. Now I am going to explain about geometry. Geometry is a construction that we can use in every state. Without geometry, road and buildings cannot be built. So without the construction, there is no shelter for human beings. For moving vehicles, we use vehicles to move from one place to another place. Without construction, the vehicles are not made. Thank you.
Natural numbers are also known as rating numbers.
ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಪ್ರಾಣಿ ಏಷ್ಯನ್ ಆನೆ, ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಪಕ್ಷಿ ನೀಲಕಂಠ, ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಪಕ್ಷಿ ಸಾಧಾರಣ ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಮರ ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಕಮಲ, ರಾಜ್ಯದ ನೃತ್ಯ ಯಕ್ಷಗಾನ, ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಹಣ್ಣು ಮಾವು, ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಮೀನು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ, ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಲಾಂಛನ ರಾಜ್ಯದ ರಚನೆ 1ನೇ ನವೆಂಬರ್ 1956ರಂದು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ರಾಜ್ಯದ
Wassalam. हो गए सब पूरा बच्चे चले गए हैं। अब बोलना सब अब है इन्हें बोलना से